Okay, we're using a graphing utility to estimate a limit, and we are going to use that. When you come to your work, I want you to basically copy it down. I want you to create a table. When I have X, you know, what comes out for Y, or yeah, we'll call this Y, F of X, whatever. And then I also want you to graph, okay? So it's not going to be too exciting. For me, it's going to look something like that. But there's this situation at 0. I can't have X be 0 on the bottom, right? So I go over to my Desmos, and this is what I get. Ignore that table up there. That's for a different problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a table for this one. And hopefully I can focus on that. Maybe? Nope, guess not. Okay. So they give me some values, but I'm really interested in what's happening at 0, when X is 0, because really that's not going to be allowed. And they provide some things here, and that's nice. I guess it shifted away when I started doing this. It felt my stylus get near the... Okay, so there, let's try that. We're going to get closer to 0 than this. We want something better than this. We'll say point... what shall we say? 0.1, sound good? Okay. And then we'll also say negative, well, I like the zeros, 0.01, how about that? And then we'll say even closer, 0, well, a negative, sorry, negative 0.00, well, let's just go an extra 0. Yeah, okay. So that's one way, and then at 0 it's undefined, and then let's go ahead and do the best we can here, and we'll say 0.000. I went out 4. Okay, I'll go 4 on this side, and then I'll go not as far. 0. What'd I say? I'll try to keep it uniform, and then 1. How about that? Okay, so now you can see that my points over here are ganging up on 0. What's happening at 0? Well, as far as I'm concerned, it looks like it's approaching the same thing it's been approaching on both sides, which looks like 0.2236. Okay, on both sides, and I can see that. I even get a 0 after that if I got coming from the negative side, coming from the positive side. I can see it very easily on the chart. So I'm going to go back and write 0.2236. It's a strange thing to approach, but as X approaches 0, the function approaches 0.2236